In this pivotal era, the illusions that have veiled our world in mystery and misinformation for centuries are dissipating. As we stand on the brink of transformation, the opportunity before us is profound. Our reality is shifting, allowing humanity to consciously shape its beliefs, perceptions, and the future of our planet. Inspired by the teachings of visionaries like Dolores Cannon and propelled by the evolving spiritual landscape, our journey takes us on a quest to navigate the path to ascension amidst the chaotic uncertainties of 2024. For too long, humanity has been confined in the shadows, trapped behind thick veils of illusion. These veils have obscured the truths governing our existence, influencing our beliefs, actions, and perception of reality. But as we witness the gradual lifting of these veils, we uncover hidden truths that have been concealed for generations. These illusions have fueled fear, sown seeds of separation, and ignited conflicts. They convinced us of our powerlessness and made us believe that our reality is unchangeable. Now, the time has come to shatter these illusions and embrace the empowering truth that we are co-creators of our reality. As the veils of illusion recede, we stand at the edge of reclamation, armed with the ability to choose a harmonious, enlightened path. In the tumultuous year of 2024, global chaos seems to surround us. From migrant surges to political battles, uncertainty looms, and the geopolitical landscape is tense. During such challenging times, our spiritual growth can flourish. It is through adversity that we are tested and our potential for transformation is unlocked. The chaos externally mirrors the turmoil within the collective consciousness as old paradigms crumble, making way for something new. To continue our journey into the fifth dimension amidst this chaos, we must raise our vibrational frequency and embrace higher consciousness. Discernment is crucial in navigating through misinformation, questioning narratives, and seeking a deeper understanding of global events. Introspection is the second facet of our journey. We must assess whether global events truly impact our personal lives and channel our emotional responses constructively. Amidst global chaos, our individual lives remain island-shaped by our immediate surroundings, choices, and actions. Maintaining a higher consciousness becomes paramount. Centeredness, calmness, love, forgiveness, joy, peace, and optimism are the qualities of 5D consciousness. These higher frequencies, accessible through energetic support, flowing onto Earth, allow us to ride the waves of transformation effortlessly. To live in 5D consciousness, envision and actively create your ideal life, free from stress and fear. Shift limiting beliefs, anticipate miracles, and trust in boundless possibilities. As chaos unfolds, recognize the power to navigate your course. The journey to ascension is one of active engagement, self-discovery, and self-realization. Amidst the chaos of 2024, seize the opportunity to transcend the limitations of the old world and usher in an era of enlightenment and unity. Chaos is not inherently negative. It is a catalyst for change. Anchor yourself in higher consciousness principles, love, compassion, resilience, and adaptability to rise above lower frequencies. As the veils of illusion lift, a choice arises. Embrace the transformative journey to the fifth dimension wholeheartedly, becoming a beacon of light, not only for yourself, but for humanity. Together, we co-create a reality steeped in love, unity, and boundless potential. This transformative journey to the fifth dimension is a collective endeavor, and as you embrace it wholeheartedly, you become a beacon of light, not only for yourself, but for humanity. Your rise contributes to the elevation of the world around you, co-creating a reality that transcends the limitations of the past. This journey is nothing short of profound and transformative, inviting you to navigate the uncharted waters of higher consciousness with an open heart and an open mind. As you traverse this path, remember that chaos, although seemingly disruptive, serves as a catalyst for change and transformation. It is the churning sea from which new islands of possibility emerge. Your individual and collective growth are not contingent on the absence of chaos, but on your ability to navigate it with grace, wisdom, and resilience. In the midst of the swirling tempest of change, anchor yourself in the principles of higher consciousness. Cultivate qualities such as love, compassion, resilience, and adaptability, allowing them to guide you through the turbulent waters of uncertainty. By attuning yourself to these higher frequencies, you rise above the lower vibrations of fear, anger, and despair that often accompany chaos. As the veils of illusion continue to lift, you are faced with a pivotal choice that extends beyond the confines of your individual life. You can choose to remain ensnared in the chaos and uncertainty of the 3D world, perpetuating the illusions that have bound humanity for eons. Alternatively, you can take the courageous step to elevate your consciousness and embrace the fifth dimension, where limitless possibilities and higher frequencies await. Trust in the unseen. Cultivate the higher emotions that define 5D consciousness, and actively envision and live your ideal 5D life. This transformative journey is not merely an alteration of your individual reality. It is a contribution to the collective shift toward a more enlightened and harmonious world. The ripples of your higher consciousness extend far beyond your immediate spheres, touching the hearts and minds of others and inspiring them to embark on their own ascension journeys. The veils of illusion are indeed lifting, revealing a world bathed in the radiant light of truth and possibility. The path to the fifth dimension beckons to those who dare to embrace it with open hearts and open minds. The choice rests squarely in your hands, and the journey is nothing short of profound and transformative. Embrace it wholeheartedly, for in doing so, you become a beacon of light, illuminating the path not only for yourself, but for all of humanity. As you rise, the world around you rises in kind, and together we co-create a reality that transcends the limitations of the past, forging a future steeped in love, unity, and boundless potential. Thank you for your commitment to this transformative journey, and may the light of higher consciousness guide your path every step of the way. In the continuation of this transformative journey, let us delve deeper into the practical aspects of navigating the complexities of the world into 2024 while maintaining a higher state of consciousness. Recognize that external events, though tumultuous, need not dictate the internal landscape of your mind and spirit. Here are further insights to aid you on this profound path. Cultivate mindful awareness. Embrace the present moment with mindful awareness. Amidst the chaos, grounding yourself in the now allows you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or other mindfulness techniques to foster a sense of inner calm. Embrace unity consciousness. Acknowledge the interconnectedness of all life. Instead of succumbing to divisive narratives, cultivate a mindset of unity. Understand that, despite external appearances, we share a collective journey, and our thoughts and actions ripple through the interconnected fabric of existence. Transcend fear-based narratives. The media often perpetuates fear-based narratives. Approach information critically, discerning fact from fiction. Recognize that fear is a lower vibrational frequency that inhibits spiritual growth. Choose narratives that uplift and empower, contributing to the collective elevation of consciousness. Nurture positive intentions. Intention is a powerful force. Set positive intentions for yourself and the world around you. Focus on qualities such as love, compassion, and understanding. By consciously directing your thoughts and energy towards positivity, you contribute to the creation of a more harmonious reality. Practice detachment. Detachment doesn't imply apathy, but a healthy disengagement from outcomes beyond your control. Recognize the impermanence of external circumstances and focus on your internal state. By letting go of attachment to specific outcomes, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and anxiety. Express gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Despite the challenges, there is always something to be thankful for. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency and opens the door to a greater flow of abundance and positivity in your life. Connect with like-minded souls. Surround yourself with individuals who share your vision for higher consciousness. Community support is invaluable on this journey. Engage in conversations that uplift and inspire, sharing experiences and insights that contribute to the collective growth. Embody compassion. Extend compassion, not only to yourself, but also to others. Recognize that everyone is on their unique journey, and empathy fosters understanding. In times of chaos, compassion becomes a powerful force for healing and unity. Contribute to positive change. Actively participate in creating positive change. Whether through small acts of kindness, community involvement, or advocacy for causes close to your heart, your actions contribute to the collective shift towards a more enlightened world. Embrace the flow of transformation. Change is inevitable, and transformation is a constant in the universe. Embrace the flow of transformation with an open heart and a willingness to evolve. Trust that, even in the face of uncertainty, the universe is guiding you towards growth and expansion. As you continue on this transformative journey into the fifth dimension, remember that every thought, emotion, and action is a brushstroke on the canvas of reality. Your conscious choices contribute to the masterpiece of a world bathed in the light of higher consciousness. Embrace the challenges, cherish the moments of growth, and let the radiant energy of love guide you on this profound journey of ascension. Thank you for your commitment to the path of enlightenment, and may your journey be filled with the transformative power of higher consciousness.